Hope Uzodinma and Nigeria military destroying people's houses and burning them in the name of looking for unknown gunmen and ESN. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Barabbas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Yeah, my people, before we go look into the Ogbonge news what we get for hand today, if you know say you never subscribe for this channel, may you try go subscribe, and if you reach that, try to turn your notification bell so that anytime what we upload, you will be the first person we go to get them. Things are happening. Let's go and look into the matter what we get for hand today. As you all know, we'll be updating you this morning that is the ongoing war in Imo State where nobody is talking about. This has been going on for a very long time now, and the bombardment over there is too much. The worst part of it is that when they go and bomb people's house in the village, people's house, then what happened to the foot soldier? If you can bomb, why not the foot soldier go in there and check before you start bombing the houses? So a lot of people today is now living aside because of this cause of Nigeria and military and Air Force. So we are going to bring so many videos for you here and for you to see how the bombardment of people's residents over there. So let's bring the video for you, make you see.
This is what I've been doing since is the bomb I've been throwing into the land of Biafra. But nothing happened. Then if they come close to people's houses, they will try as much as possible to break into the houses. Like this house. You can see now this person lock his house in and out. This is their handwork. They are good in burning people's houses. Burning people's houses. This is innocent man. They kill this innocent man. It's an old man. It is an old man that have killed him. The man who owned this property, that have killed him. This is innocent houses that have set on fire. This is the highest your bomb can do when they reach ground. Have you seen it? This is your bomb. You throw. You are just a waste your money. You just a waste your money. This is your bomb. Have you seen it? This is the highest damage your bomb can do in our land. See the bomb here. See your pieces here.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't see them. So you know, say sometimes if you would talk, you'll be like, say that would they talk. No, be say it happen because you never see them for where you expect to see them. But this platform is here to serve for the justice of everything when Nigeria government they do for Biafra people, and also bring any information for all the whole part of Nigeria for you to see what they go on. You see how they had the bombardment of people's home, while they will come outside and claim they bomb at IPOB, ESN wing, hide that while you are destroying people's home and sending them to live outside. You think say you go carry gun forever? The answer is no. You think say you, if you send people outside, you can't live inside house? The answer is no. Something that will chase you out for your own house will still come. And that time they run kitty, they run kata. Let's bring up the another video of the Biafra Liberation Army. May explain more of what happened today to us. So let's watch the video together.
Soldier and Nigeria government deploy more. As many as you were today, I was thinking that you will fight this fight if 6 o'clock p.m. With all the arsenal you came with, you still run away before even 3 o'clock. If you like, you believe. If you do not like, you leave. but Biafra land will be your end. I want to thank all the good wishers of Biafras. I want to thank all of you that have been praying for these gallant men. Indeed, Chukwu Okike Abiama, I've been answering your prayer. It is not by our power, it is not by our mind, but it is by the strength of Chukwu Okike Abiama. It is him that sent us, and it is him that will be with us till the end of time. And that is why we do not have anything to fear of. And that is why we do not shake. One thing we know, and that thing that we know is what we will tell you. And that thing that we will tell you is what I'm going to tell you that right now. That at the end of this struggle, at the end of this war, Biafra will be emerged. It does not really matter how many they are. It does not really matter how long it takes. But what really matters to us is that after rain, sunshine, which means after this war, Biafra will emerge. I want to thank you for all your support. I will also use this privilege to salute all my fellow congregants. I salute you for your great courage. I salute you because you were choosing to do this. I thank you all for supporting us in every way. I thank you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I thank you so very much, our great Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa. And I say that in this land, whom Chukwu Okike Abiama gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our father, that hand over to us, that we must hand over this land to our children without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Yoruba, and without the presence of Britain in it. And our children will enjoy this very land of Biafra in a good faith. It is an oath that we took, and we will never fail them. In this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. God bless Biafra and the land of the rising sun. From me, from the land of the rising sun in the battlefield of Cöme, it is good evening, man, good afternoon. In the evening time, I will come up to continue my broadcast of yesterday, and then maybe I will still update you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, just see him and hear him for your own ear. Direct from Biafra Liberation Army. I simply talk am. See waiting they go on as they see talk am in the morning. And today they say today on don't be over, and them no get any scratch. But the people who can kill them for their land end up going with so many dead body. Things they happen for inside Biafra land. My people, I want to leave you, may you contribute proof for this matter. What be your advice to them, and what be your opinion for this thing will happen. I want may you contribute put so that we'll talk about it in comment section. But little way you go do for this video now to share them so that many people go know what they go on as you they get the update, and also encourage them to subscribe and turn the notification bell as well so that they get the update too as they hot. And that's what they do now. So we'll see you for the next update. Stay tuned.